Today we'll show you how to remove and reinstall the automatic transfer switch door on your Nature's generator. First, locate the upper and lower door hinges. Start by removing the ground wire nut, then disconnect the ground wire. Next, remove the hinge pins retaining caps from both hinges. Once those are off, slide the hinge pins completely out. You can now safely remove the door. To reinstall the door, align it back into the hinges. Press the hinge pins firmly back into place, then secure them by pressing the retaining caps back on. Finally, reattach the ground wire and tighten the nut securely. And that's it. The door is fully installed and ready to go.